If you're a coffee enthusiast who craves the rich aroma and robust flavor of freshly ground coffee, then the Black+Decker coffee grinder is your ultimate companion on your journey to the perfect cup. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the features that set this grinder apart, explore its capabilities beyond coffee beans, and unveil why it's an indispensable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Here are the key features of Black+Decker Grinder One-Touch Push-Button Control. The perfect grind. 30% better grinding. Achieving the perfect grind consistency is the secret to unlocking the full potential of your coffee beans. With the Black+Decker coffee grinder, you're getting a remarkable 30% better grinding efficiency compared to its counterparts. This means you can revel in the confidence that each cup of coffee you brew will boast a uniform grind, translating into a delectable and aromatic experience. Versatility redefined. Grind your favorites. Prepare to embark on a culinary adventure beyond coffee. The stainless steel blades of the Black+Decker coffee grinder are not limited to coffee beans alone. Whether you're experimenting with exotic spices, tantalizing herbs, hearty grains, or indulgent nuts and seeds, this grinder is your versatile tool for transforming your ingredients into a tantalizing masterpiece. Precision in every pulse. Stainless steel blades and bowl. Experience the durability of stainless steel at your fingertips. The sharp blades and robust grinding bowl of this grinder are meticulously crafted to endure countless grinding sessions, all while delivering a consistent and uniform grind. With each pulse, you're preserving the flavors and aromas that define your ingredients. Intuitive control. One-touch push-button control. Ease and customization converge with the intuitive one-touch push-button control. Seamlessly adjust the grind consistency from coarse to fine, tailoring it to suit your brewing method of choice. This intuitive control ensures that you have the power to craft your coffee just the way you like it. Compact brilliance, compact design, and cord storage. Space is precious in your kitchen, and the Black+Decker coffee grinder respects that. Its compact design elegantly occupies minimal countertop real estate, leaving you with room to spare. The integrated cord wrap ensures that storage remains organized and hassle-free, aligning perfectly with the grinder's efficient design. Safety meets efficiency. Lid locking safety feature. Safety is paramount, and the Black+Decker coffee grinder embraces it with a lid locking safety mechanism. Say goodbye to accidental spills and mishaps. This feature ensures that the blades only spring to life when the lid is securely locked, allowing you to grind with confidence. Craftsmanship and control. Pulse control. Mastery over your ingredients lies within your grasp with the pulse control feature. Effortlessly start and stop the blades at your discretion, granting you the ability to achieve the precise results you desire. Beyond coffee, grind spices, herbs, grains, and nuts. Unleash your culinary creativity with the Black+Decker coffee grinder. This powerhouse not only elevates your coffee experience but also transforms into a versatile kitchen tool. From fragrant spices to aromatic herbs, hearty grains to indulgent nuts, this grinder effortlessly handles them all, expanding your culinary horizons.